Okay, so I just learned something that just kind of blew my brain to pieces, and I think a lot of you out there will probably want to know this too. Let's say you're using Google Classroom and you want to be using Google Meet, and you're concerned about posting a different link every day, and it just sounds like it's too much, and you want to be able to have a permanent link in your Google Classroom. Let me show you how I just figured out to do that. Once you're in your Google Classroom, we're going to click here on Settings. And in this class details, we're going to come down, and right here, this is a brand new thing, is Meet. We can generate a Meet link. There, it's generated. We make sure it says visible to students, and we click Save. Watch this. Now, anytime anybody goes to our Google Meet, there is the link. This link will be here permanently, forever, always the same. You and your students can click here and go straight to where you need to go for your Google Meet, always. Sweet! Have fun.